हेलो, मैं आप सभी को सुनाने वाला हूँ आज सम हॉरिबल साउंड्स ऑफ प्लेनेट विच प्लेस इन आवर सोलर सिस्टम. ओके, so let's go. Listen. It's a sound of sun like burning something and some volcanoes like this. Really, it's a very horrible sound. Mercury's have a different and very horrible sound. And it is Venus. So ready for the lesson sound of Venus. Look, it is our Earth. So listen the sound. Mars sound. And now we listen Jupiter sound. And now we listen the sound of Saturn. Saturn is the most beautiful planet in our solar system. So let's go. Okay, if you like the video then wrote in comment box. Thanks, subscribe.